The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
All right, good morning, everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started here with the briefing. We got about 11:01. So right now, very few weather concerns here in the short term through the weekend, but we'll get through that here. After temperatures around or just above freezing this morning, uh, we'll see a rather significant warm up as we head later today, and especially Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with temperatures well into the 80s by Saturday, with dry weather through the weekend, really, and only low end storm chances returning early next week. The only thing that to be on the lookout for is just some breezy conditions expected during the day tomorrow, with gusts to 30 miles per hour expected. Still a little bit breezy on Saturday, but just slightly less so than what we expect Friday. And on the marine side, with the breezy conditions, small craft advisories are going to be needed for a good part of the marine area late Friday through Saturday with those southwest winds. Again, any thunderstorm potential would be well to our north and west through Saturday. And again, very warm this weekend with temperatures well into the 80s on Saturday and low to mid 80s across much of the area on Sunday. So, in terms of rainfall, it's just not expecting much of anything through Saturday. And even from Monday through Wednesday, we're just looking at low, 20 to 30% chance of showers and storms. So while with just the nature of the storms, a few areas might see like a few tenths of an inch to a half of an inch of rain, but we're really not expecting anything widespread at the moment for the next 7 days. And as I touched on before, the breezy conditions Friday across inland areas and even near the coast, with gusts to 30 miles per hour being common, and a few peak gusts certainly possible to get up towards 35, maybe even a little higher than that. But generally, winds gusting to close to 30 during the day tomorrow out of the southwest, that is. And you could see today seasonable, maybe a little bit below average in spots, and then the significant warm up starts tomorrow and then continues through the weekend. And there is a weak cold front trying to approach early, late this weekend, early next week. But for the most part, except for maybe on the eastern shore, temperatures really don't drop a whole lot as we head in through the next few days. And then you can see here, not expecting much of anything through Sunday, and then just low end, shower and storm chances. No organized severe weather is expected with this stuff Of course, we'll continue to monitor. So, but low end shower storm chances early to the middle part of next week. And yeah, above average temperatures likely continuing for a while with just near normal precip chances. Although we're not expecting much. That's probably much rain for the next 7 days. Maybe after that we get a little bit more rain, but that's still, we're talking kind of late next week, next week, and then that's beyond 7 days out. So switching gears, talking about the marine side, small craft conditions expected late Friday into Saturday across most of the waters, with sub-advisory conditions returning for Sunday and Monday. And peak wind gusts on the marine around or 25 to 30 knots out of the southwest there, with seas building to 3 to 5 feet given the offshore component of the flow. And then just stepping through the next few days, our peak time window for marine winds is going to be late Friday night, and potentially into Saturday before, sub-advisory conditions return Sunday and Sunday night and Monday. And then with the rain we had, a lot of the drought conditions are no longer there for much of our area, with just some D0 across northeast North Carolina and far northern portions of the area. And with that, I will leave up the summary slide, and at this point I'll stop the recording and be more than happy to answer any specific questions. Thank you everyone for your time.